guys, welcome to Cooking with Mommy. Right now we're making is it brown or ground?
A ground beef.
Ground beef.
We're making a what?
Taco pie.
We're making a
Hi,
taco
guys.
pie.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Here, have a 1 pound.
Of ground beef.
Okay.
Put it on.
Yeah.
Put it on high.
We're gonna cook that one. Let it brown.
That's why they call it ground beef, because it's ground. Get it? Ground? Is that already? Cut.
You can use a pound or 2 pounds of ground beef on this recipe.
Either one.
This recipe is really good. It's really tasty.
Not to me, because onions are spicy.
Well, it's alright.
I know.
You know,
Hi,
it
guys.
gets warm or hot. See that?
Smells like something's burning.
You think we're burning this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just wait, could you? So we'll let this ground beef brown. Okay, we have that brown, and then we have to put salt, teaspoon of salt, and then pepper, teaspoon,
What about the noise?
or maybe half a teaspoon. You have to turn it low. We have teaspoon of garlic, onion powder, and garlic powder, teaspoon.
That beat me in a pot enough.
That's the oven.
Okay,
and then we have to drain the,
turn it off.
yeah, turn it off. Then we have to drain the grease because we don't want the grease to soak
Into the beef.
Yeah, no, into the bread or pastry, or what you call it, a crescent roll. Okay, we have to drain that. Just leave it there for a second.
Drain the beef, and there it is. That is
Just
it.
drained it, and the grease is okay, and we have to let that sit there.
I'm blowing on it.
The oven, I put it in 350 degrees.
I'm going to put this one.
Okay,
Can I get it?
here.
Careful.
Here, can you hold that? Here. Oops.
I'm dizzy.
Don't shake it.
Now.
Okay. We'll put that in
I don't
the
know
oven.
what this means.
It's alright. We'll put that in the oven to...
15:08. But okay, bye-bye.
No.
I'm going to sit right here.
Okay, what do we have here?
You say it. No, you.
What's that one?
Sour cream, pineapple, olive, onion, tomato, cheese, lettuce, ground beef. They already know it's ground beef, Mom. We have Doritos.
Dorito chips.
Yep, I ate one of them. They're good.
Okay, those are the ingredients of what?
We need.
What do you call the recipe?
We call them
We call it what? Taco?
taco pie. Yeah, it's taco pie. I love taco pie. Except for the onions. I'm gonna have one more. Now that's brown.
Let's see. Okay, that's ready. And we have to take that out. Careful.
Turn it off. Cancel. Cancel.
No, don't turn it off. Okay, put the beef now. Spread it. Put. Let me have that. Let me just spread it like that. On this side over here.
Done.
And then put the
Sour.
sour cream. Spread.
No.
Be careful because that's really hot.
No, I already burned myself on it. Just one big glop. It's hard to spread, Mom.
Okay, I'll spread it. Then next we have to what?
Put the cheese. We used a big lump of cheese. I'm gonna eat the rest, okay?
And then we have to put that back in the oven. Huh?
We're gonna sprinkle the tomato. Tomato. If you like calling it tomato. Some people like calling it tomato. Tomato's their favorite way too.
Spread it, babe.
Gotta help me.
Okay. And then next we have to spread the what?
The olives. No, onions. I'm gonna get me a drink. This is pineapple. Can I eat the rest, Mom?
that's the taco pie. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Cooking with Mommy.